The last few months have been really difficult, and while life for many of us is beginning to return to somewhere nearer normal, it's important to remember that the threat of COVID-19 hasn't gone away. The health and safety of everyone in the city is always our main priority, and that's why I wanted to update you all on the latest data we have about cases across the city and ask everyone to continue to play their part to help us stop any further spread of the virus. New data shows that the number of COVID-19 cases in the city is on the rise, having doubled to 15, which means we're really on a knife edge in terms of which way it could go. And that's why it's important that we continue to work together and take the steps we need to reduce the risk of infection, not only to ourselves, but also to others, and to avoid more restrictions in the future. It is essential that each and every one of us does all we can to make sure we don't reach a position where we have to consider the kind of measures introduced in other areas or face a local lockdown. That's why it's vital to continue to follow social distancing rules and stay 2 meters away from others where possible. Remember to wash your hands regularly for 20 seconds and continue to stay at home as much as possible. And wear face coverings when on public transport and in enclosed places such as shops and supermarkets. Importantly, ensuring that these cover both your mouth and your nose, but also remember to stay socially distanced when wearing them. Most importantly right now is being aware of the symptoms of COVID-19, which are high temperature, a new persistent cough, or loss of taste or smell. And if you have symptoms, take the steps you need to protect yourself and others. That means making sure you isolate immediately and get tested by visiting the NHS website www.nhs.uk/coronavirus or calling 119. If you do test positive, then it's important you continue to self-isolate and work with the contact tracing team to help stop the virus spreading further. We know that, just like the last few months, the months ahead aren't going to be easy. But if we're going to continue to control the virus in Sunderland and help everyone keep safe, we all need to work together and play our part to protect ourselves, our families, and our community.